My name is Ronni Wright and I'm in grade 12. I'm a teaching assistant in construction technology. In grade 10, I got put into construction class instead of hospitality like I wanted. And the only reason I continued in that class is because I had another female that I could bounce ideas off of and feel comfortable in the class.
I met Ronni in grade 11 last year in my grade 11-12 construction technology class. I discovered really quickly that Ronni had a really natural, raw ability to work in the shop. What I wasn't expecting though was that she just took this leadership role in the classroom and she began working with some of our other female students to help build confidence and skill within that course. And this year she decided to do a co-op where she would come into my grade 11 class.
I chose Jangle's TA class because there's mostly girls in that class, and I like the idea that they can have a knowledge or background in the trades. It gives them some background knowledge that they can work on stuff at home and not need a guy to do stuff for them.
We've seen a huge driving force in young women being interested in skilled trade just by having a female educator in the room. And of course, Ronni has also helped that, and I believe she's going to help that moving forward.
Jangle helped me realize my leadership role in the classroom, as well as getting me involved into the TA course.
Ronni has not only become a role model for my grade 11 female students, but she also is dedicated for that space, which is traditionally a very male-dominated space, to become a place where we can come together, feel included, and have a sense of community. Ronni has aspirations of becoming a carpenter, so in 5 to 10 years, I absolutely expect Ronni to be a carpenter.
Looking ahead, I'm very nervous and scared, but I'm very hopeful that I'll find something that I enjoy. For an example, I'd like to go into something like carpentry or cabinet making, something in the woodworks.
I have zero doubt that whatever Ronni puts her mind to, she will accomplish.
I would say for any women wanting to go into trades, just try it. Anything new is scary. Just try it out, and for all you know, you may love it.